Like I got into the. I almost had how do you say? I almost had something in my face because. Yeah. I was. Don't come board.
11.
Which one?
Table 11.
Here?
Table
On 10. Oh. Did they actually leave? I thought they were leaving already. No? It would be
just ordered a bottle of water.
I don't think we're in the luck here.
Hola.
Hola, hola.
Are you waiting for table?
Yeah, we don't know who's leaving.
This table is safe.
Yeah. 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 It's kind of most people feel like they're more entitled. Yeah, people coming on their way. So which do you prefer the sun next to the...
You sit here, you sit there, or I sit there, you sit here. Or we sit next to each other.
Do you want to see the food menu or is just the drink? Drinks?
Drinks.
Yeah?
Yeah. So.
You sit here.
Oh, maybe that side is better. Some other people can sit there. I prefer this. No. Just are we going to have coffee, a cup of coffee or something?
Yes, coffee, yeah. We have espresso, americano, white coffee, cappuccino.
With water, probably.
11 is...
This is someone who's exercising. It's actually very hot.
Very hot?
In the back.
Ah, you want to sit here?
No, but
If you move up, you have the shade of the tree.
probably not. It's there.
olmasın iyi.
Ah, this one. Yeah.
That's great.
As I told you, civilization are made by those who accepted to be bullied and those who bullied them and got away with it.
The surf class starting there.
Yeah.
It is not in a lodge.
Just